Welcome to the Screen Police. We are in the mid 2021 and Bollywood has provided us some great cinemas and some disasters too. So here in this video I am recommending the 8 cinemas released on 2021 that you should watch right now. So starting with the first, The State of Siege Temple Attack. This is a G5 original cinema starring Akshay Khanna in the lead. So this story is based on the true event of terror attack happened in 2002 in the Akshardham Temple of Gujarat. So basically this film shows the heroic thing the NSG or the Black Commandos did to rescue the innocent people in the temple who are under the terror attack of the 4 terrorists. This cinema spans for 1 hour and 50 minutes, but you will not feel bored even for 1 minute. With that, this cinema is a must watch. Nail Polish. Nail Polish is a psychological thriller starring Manav Kaul and Arjun Rampal in the lead. This film focuses on the mysterious death of 2 migrant children whose prime suspect was Veer Singh, played by Manav Kaul. In this courtroom drama, when all the evidence has proven him to be guilty, a twist came into the plot. This film's prime focus was on Manav Kaul's character and shows his state of mind at different point of time. So you can watch this cinema on G5. Puglet, starring Sania Malhotra in the lead. She plays the role of Sandhya, who is a young widow after just 5 months of her wedding. This story is all about her journey towards independence, finding herself, and taking the control of the decisions of her life. This film also shows the family drama happening on the 13 days funeral ceremony. You can watch this cinema on Netflix. Silence. Silence is a murder mystery starring Manoj Bajpayee, Prachi Desai and Arjun Mathur. This film focuses on a team of special cops investigating the mysterious murder of a girl who is the daughter of a retired justice. The best part of Silence is you will be guessing till the end, but all your predictions will be wrong at the conclusion. You can watch this cinema on G5. Sherni. This film focuses on a forest officer, Vidya Vincent, played by Vidya Balan. In this cinema, there is a tigress who was causing problem to the local villagers when the local villagers and their animal fall prey to her. In this situation, Vidya's task was to capture the tigress alive. But there are some people who wanted to kill the tigress for their own pride. This cinema deals with the subjects like human-wildlife conflicts and wildlife conservation. You can watch this cinema on Amazon Prime. Ramprasad Ki Tervi. This is a family drama showing the gathering of a family after the head of the family passes away. This film focuses on the family problems, their insecurities, their politics, and their equations with each other. This movie perfectly showcases the true image of the society. You can watch Ramprasad Ki Tervi on Netflix. Kagaz. Kagaz is a comedy and an inspirational movie starring Pankaj Tripathi in the lead. This film focuses on a man who was falsely declared dead on the government record and how the government gave more importance to the piece of kagaz than the actual human. This film also shows how the system of India don't give a shit to the poor people of our country, where the poor people with so much hope in their eyes expecting the government to do something for them, but in return they get nothing. This film tells the story about a common man, Bharat Lal, who goes through many hurdles only to prove that he is alive. You can watch the cinema on G5. Hasin Dilruba. Hasin Dilruba is a genre-busting cinema having comedy, romance and thriller. This film stars the extremely talented trio Taapsee Pannu, Vikrant Messi and Harshvardhan Rane in the lead. This film focuses on Rani, who is the prime suspect of the murder of her husband. The film progresses with Rani revealing her marriage life, her extramarital affair, and about her husband's murder. This film has a shocking ending which makes this film a must watch. You can watch this cinema on Netflix. So that's the video guys. I hope you guys liked the video. For more contents like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Thank you.